subscribe to our channel.
5 Home remedies for muscle relief. Constant overexertion and physical stress are two of the principal causes of these uncomfortable spasms that interrupt our day. We know this condition as a knot that prevents blood from flowing to all the muscle cells, which causes a buildup of toxins. As a consequence, the nerve endings react and send signals to the brain that are translated as an irritating sensation of pain and inflammation. The affected area may stand out as a bulge that is sensitive to massage or when trying to move. The treatment for these symptoms includes analgesics and anti-inflammatory medicine that should only be taken with medical supervision. However, there is a series of home remedies that can be used to accelerate recovery without the risk of negative side effects. Below we'll list the 5 best tips for muscle relief to use when this happens to you. 1. Aromatherapy to loosen muscle knots. The aromas that certain plants and spices give off have calming effects that decrease stress and muscular tension. Enjoy essential oil therapies such as Camphor, Rosemary, Thyme, Lavender, Marigold, Eucalyptus. 2. Therapeutic bath for muscle relief. Epsom and relaxing oil baths relieve muscle spasms, reduce inflammation, and calm the feeling of pain. 3. Arnica balm. Arnica is a plant with anti-inflammatory properties that provide limb and muscle relief. It has been used in homeopathic medicine for hundreds of years and continues to be a natural pain reliever for topical use. 4. Clay and rosemary treatment. The combination of clay and rosemary is an anti-inflammatory treatment for muscle spasms. 5. Physical exercise. Many think that rest is the best treatment for muscle pain. But it is proven that physical exercise is one of the best therapies for a short recovery. Stretching and physical activity stimulate circulation and help eliminate excess toxins from the body. Recommended: yoga, tai chi, Pilates, swimming. All of these can help undo the knots that block the correct flow of blood to the muscles. However, if nothing seems to work after a few days, consult your doctor for other kinds of muscle relief therapy. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.